So quarterfinals today from this one. So it means these are the top 8 here from this one, from Georgia versus China. So what do you think of this analyze of these games? So let's see of this watch of these video clips here. Hello everyone. So it means quarterfinals here from this one in this today's analyze of these games in FIDE Women's World Cup 2025. So it means today is quarterfinals here from this one. So it means quarterfinals is a top 8 of these quarterfinals here from this one. So it means how many clocks? Oh, interchange clock by round robin between 1 hour and 30 minutes and 30 seconds increment from this one. These are the scored by round robin or long game here from this one. So it means two games analyzed of these games from this quarterfinals here from this one, but by first quarterfinals. So and also between by grandmaster in Georgia is Nana Zagnidze. So it means Nana Zagnidze from this Georgia, and versus by grandmaster in my favorite players in China, Lei Pingqi here from this one. So two games analyzed here from this one. So it means in this part of this video, you have analyzed of these chess games in this quarterfinals. So white plays Nana is knight f3, d5 lay, c4, c6. Without c6 is called Caro-Kann, English opening. So, or maybe here. So these are the main line is d4 or d4 by Nana de 16 here from this one, and so it means c4 and c6. Without c6 here by this one is called Caro-Kann defensive system, and e3, knight f6, knight c3, and also e6. So it means without move by e6, or with idea to here by move by bishop to b4. So upcoming by threatening by knights here from this one, and queen c2 by develops by knights here, and a6 without a6 by Lei Pingqi here from this one, and b3 c5 without doubles by pawns, or without defensive by or defense by bishop and pawns. And also bishop b2 with idea by castling queenside. I don't know castling queenside by Nana here from this one. And also knight c6, a3 by no more by knight to b4 by according this one by threats here. From this one, these are determinations here from this one. So and also b6. So it means b6 is a normal. So it means with idea by without light square bishop by bishop to b7 here from this one. So it means b6 is thus not one of this computer engine by b6 by Lei. So the one's occurrency move here, the best moves is bishop to e7 by ready by castling king side here from this one by determinations here from this one. So it means b6 by Lei here from this one, and takes good move captured, and also d4 with idea by captured by pawns. So it means without diagonals here from this one, and bishop b7 takes good move captured, and also bishop d3 by Nana without ready by castling king side, or maybe without determinations here from this one. And also bishop d6 by Lei by upcoming castling king side by Lei Pingqi here from this one, and castling king side by Nana, and knight e7 with idea to knight to g6 here from this one. So it means a lot double. So it means these are a novelty by Lei of this knight e7. So these are the old main line here. Good novelty is castling king side before move by knight to e7. So it means first is castling king side. So it means castling king side is a good novelty from this one. So the novelty is knight e7 by Lei. So it means these are the determinations here from this, or idea by knight to g6 by next forward. And also knight e2 by Nana by upcoming next by knight to g3 by doubles by knights here from this one. And also rook c8, so it means another bad move by Lei. So the best moves there is knight to g6 before castling king side. So it means these are the continuations or etc etc. These are the slightly betters from blacks here from this one. So back there is rook c8 by Lei. With idea by Pin by queen. So it means without queens here or without covering by pawns here from this one, and bishop takes captured, knight takes opening by here by opening, or very weak by pawns by doubles. So it means these are the ugly pawns or weak by pawns by double pawns here from this one. And also rook fd1 by Nana here from this one, and h5 with the strongest move by Lei by determinations here from this one, and queen b2 bad move. So this bad move. So the best moves there is a4. So a4 here from this one. These are the etc etc. These are the slightly parts here. So these are continuations. So back there is queen b2 and also d4. With a move forward by strongest by Lei or upcoming by captured good move. Bishop takes knight. So why don't we try is continue capture. C takes d4 and also knight takes captured with idea to captured by bishop takes knight, threatening by rooks. Knight takes bishop. So etc etc. So these are the slightly betters, or maybe by slightly opposite color bishop here from this one. So it means continuations here. So slightly opposite color bishop. So back there is bishop takes knight, captured, first captured by Lei here from this one. Takes, and also queen d7. So queen d7, so it means these are the pawns, or with an idea by move by rook to g8 or upcoming by check. So it means without check. So these are the examples. So it means, so continuous capture this pawn, queen d7, bishop takes captured with idea by threatening by targets by rooks, or continuations here from this one. And also rook g8 check and knight g3 without protects, so it means good move by Nana here from this one, and h4 with the strongest move by Lei by good move with idea by threats here by knights, and also bishop captured sacrifice. So it means without sacrifice here, or maybe without continuations here from this one, and bishop takes captured rook without one rook down by latency, or without threatening by queen, queens here from this one, and queen takes captured, bishop takes, so it means another bad move. So the best moves there is king h1. So it means king h1 here from this one. So king h1 is the best moves. So back there is d takes c5. Back. So back there is d takes c5 and takes, and another puzzle. So what do you think the next captured by new brilliant sacrifice move by Lei in China? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much, and congrats for everyone. Boom! Bishop takes g3, captured. Brilliant move by Lei Tingqi. And king h1. Why? Why you move king h1? So it means this is a wrong move by king h1 by Nana Dasikni. Bran X move. So it means wrong X move. So why don't we try the best move is capture this brilliant sacrifice. So it means h takes g3 if you rook takes captured check and decided king f2. King f2. But it's okay, it's queen f2 or maybe with the idea. So it means king f2. So king f2 here from this one. So king f2. So it means back there is king h1 and bishop e5. Oh, double by queens and rook. So it means queen and rooks double. So it means without doubles. And also queen e2, captured rook. So it means one rook done by Nana. Queen b5 check. And also king f8, rook takes bishop. Without rook takes bishop here from this one, and knight f5. With idea by move here by knight d4, threatening by queens and threatening by pawns. So it means without move side next here from this one, and rook g1 without rook two rooks and takes knight d4. With idea by without idea by threats by queens and without threatening attacks by pawns without check. So it means without checks here from this one, and queen b6, knight takes captured check, and also king f2, knight e5. Without knight e5 here from this one, and or maybe with idea by here by move by knight to d7, upcoming by threats by queens here from this one. And also queen d6 check, and also king g7, b4, and also queen f5 check, and also king e1, queen c2. Or maybe with idea by move by queen c1 check or threatening by pawns. So it means without pawns here from this one, and king f1, queen c1 check, and also king e2, queen takes captured. Without upcoming by next captured by pawns here from this one. These are determinations, and also queen d4 without defense by develops by pawns here from this one, and queen a2 check, and also queen d2. Queen d2 here without protects here from this one by queens, and queen b3, and the last shot, this one is queen f4. So it means queen f4 by quarterfinals by game 1 here. So it means resigns by Nana in Georgia. So why she resigns? Because if you move by here, if you move by queen d3 check, only move here from this one, and also king a1, and also decided is queen c3 check. Queen c3 check here. So it means queen c3 check, and also king f2 and knight 2. Wait. So it means queen f2, king f2. So it means king f2 and knight to d3. So it means these are a trap by queens and traps, and trap by queens here. So it means trap by queens. I'm sorry, got these are wrong by examples, but analyze here from this one. So it means so lose by Nana from this one. So the score 86.6 by Nana and 91.3 by score Leitinchi. So next game 2 from this quarterfinals. So next game 2 analyze. So next of this one of this game 2. So next game 2 from quarterfinals by exchange by whites here from this one and blacks here from this one. So in this part of this video here, we have analyzed of these chess games in this quarterfinals game 2. E4 by Lei, C5 Sicilian defense by Nana, and Alapin Sicilian defense. Without Alapin Sicilian defense here from this one, and knight f6, and also e5 threatening by knights, and knight d5, d4. Without idea by threats by pawns, and takes, and also d6. So it means without d6 by continuations, and knight f3. So it means knight f3 and knight c6. Oh, with the idea by here by knight move by knight to b6. So it means without knight b6 here from this one, and also bishop c4 by threatening by knights, knight b6 without targets by bishop. So it means without targets here from this one in this bishop here from this one, and bishop b5 and d5. So it means, so these are a currency bad move by Nana. So it means that's not one of this computer. So the one's computer, this one is capture this pawn. So captured by knights, and knight takes captured. Oh, without knight takes captured here, without, oh, knight takes captured. So these are the continuations here from this one, and decided this one is bishop to e7. So according this one, so it means, so these are examples from this one, from this move examples. So it means d5 by Nana and knight c3, bishop f5 with a good precise by Nana, and knight h4 with the idea by attack by bishop here from this one, and bishop backwards d7, castle king side by Lei, and also a6 with a threatening by bishop, bishop backwards e2, another bad, bishop e2, bad move by Lei. So the best moves there is bishop backwards a4. If you idea by knight takes captured, and also knight takes. So knight takes captured is a good, slightly better from whites here. These are continuations. So the back there is bishop e2, and also e6, knight f3, bishop e7, with the idea by castling kingside by Nana here from this one, and bishop d3. So it means Lei is a novelty. These are the old main line here is force king to h1. So force king h1 here is a determinations here. So it means back there is bishop d3 by Lei, and also rook c8 without 8th rank, rook e1 first rank by Lei, and also g5. With the idea why is strongest here by Nana here, and also bishop e3 without bishop pairs. So these are bishop pairs here from this one here, and also knight b4 with the idea by attacks by bishop, threatening by bishops here from this one, and bishop backwards f1, knight c4 with the idea by threatening by bishop, attacking this one with these bishops here from this one, and bishop c1 and b5. So it means another bad move. So the best moves there is rook to g8. So rook to g8 here from this one. Rook to g8 is the best moves here. So rook to g8. So back there is b5 by Nana from this one. So it means continuations, and also h3, and also h6 here, and also a3 with idea by threatening by knights here. Knight c6, a4 with that move idea by captured by pawns here from this one, and push b4 by Nana attacking these knights, threatening by knights here from this one, and knight backwards back to b1, and also queen b6, b3 attacking this, threatening by knights here from this one without threatening here, knight 4 a5, and also bishop e3, king d8. So it means never by castling king side by Nana here from this one, and knight bd2 without knight bd2, and king c7 with the idea by move to down by king to b8 by used by castling king side castling king side here from this one, and queen e2, and also king b7. And why don't we down by king side? So it means king to b8, and also rook ec1, f5 so it means with the strongest move, and used by Empassad, ready by Empassad captured, and Empassad captured, good move, threatening by bishop takes captured, And also queen d3. Oh, without strongest move here, with the idea to focus by without move by queens by late in g, and rook cg8 without 8 rank, so it means another bad move again. So the best moves there is rook to g8 again, rook hg8. So it means rook hg8. So rook cg8 and knight to e5. Oh, without knight e5 here, or maybe without attacking this one by knights here from this one. And also rook g7. Ah, with idea by battery. So it means without battery here from this one, and knight takes captured. Ah, attacking this bishop. I mean queen. Threatening by queens, and rook takes captured. Knight f3. Oh, with idea by move here by knight to e5, attacking this rook here from this one. So it means these are continuations here from this one. And also rook g8, g4. Oh, without strongest by lay, and bishop d8, rook a2. Ah, with the idea by battery, without rook to c2 battery here from this one. And also bishop to c7, battery by rook ac2, bishop d6, knight e5 without good move by late in g, by upcoming by threat attacks by rooks here from this one. So it means attacking this one, and takes by bishop, captured, and also d4. Oh, attacking, threatening by bishop. So these are the continuations here from this one, and bishop g2, and also rook c8. With idea by battery. So these are controls here from this one. And also bishop d2. Oh, so for example, so why don't we, if you move here, if you capture this bishop, oh, captured, check. So it means without captured. So it means rook c8 and bishop d2, battery rook tc7 by Nana. By upcoming battery by Nana Dzagnisi, and also rook c5, king b8. Oh, without king side. So it means castle king side. And also f4 by ready by captured, takes, bishop takes, and knight b7 without attacking this rook by threatening here from this one, and go back, rook 5 c2, knight ca5, rook takes, good move, takes, very slow motion by takes here from this one, takes, and also bishop takes captured. So it means, oh, so 3 by here queens, and doubles bishop by late in g, and doubles by knights and queens by Nana. So it means these are three pieces. Knight c5 by attacking this queen, threatening by queens here from this one, and queen h7 check, and also knight d7 defense here from this one, and also bishop f8. So it means bad move by lay. So the best moves there is queen to c2 check. So queen c2 check, and decided this one is king to b8. These are the slightly better or good examples. So back there is bishop f8, and also d3, king h2. So it means another bad move by lay. So the best moves there is king to f1. King f1 here from this one. These are determinations here. So back there, this one is king h2, queen a3 without good move by Nana, bishop d6 check, another good move, king b6 by Nana, queen a4, and accept by Nana takes, bishop takes, and also d2. By upcoming by castling, coming by promotes queen from this one without promotes, and also bishop c2 by stop by promotes by queens here from this one, and knight c6, and so it means bad move by Nana from computer. So the best moves there is knight to c5. Knight to c5 by continuations here, or these are the without controls or determinations. So back there is knight c6 by Nana, and good move king g3 by Lei, knight to c5, king f2, knight d4, with the idea by threatening by bishop. By controls here from this one, and bishop d1, knight takes b3, and also g5, knight d4, g6, knight f5. To stop by here by pawn to g7 here from this one, and also king e2 by upcoming by captured by pawns here from this one, and also a5, bishop c2, knight takes bishop, captured, knight d7 without move controls, g7, by upcoming by promotes by g8 queen here from this one without promotes, and also knight f6 by without captured, king takes captured, king c6 without attacking this pawn by attacking these pawns here from this one, and bishop h7 takes, and also g8 queen, knight takes g8, bishop takes captured, king e5, without king e5, and h4, king f6, h5, king g5, threatening by pawns, and bishop takes captured, king takes pawn, and also king d3, king g6, and king c4, king f6. So the last shot, so what do you think the last shot from this winning by here by Lei before knockout eliminate by Grandmaster Nana Dzagnisi before she proceed of the semifinals? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much, and congrats for everyone. The last shot, this one is bishop backwards g8, so it means eliminates by black, resigns by Nana. That's easy. Why she resigns? Because if you move by king to so if you move by here by king to g7, only move, and also bishop to g7, king b5, bishop d5, bishop to d5, so it means bishop to d5, and if you move by king to f6, so if you move by king to f6 and king to b5, so it means, so these are the controls, or maybe here if you attack this one by pawn, so it means these are move by pawns, so it means attack, so it means so lose from these black pieces here from this one, lose from blacks. So it means so Grandmaster Nana Dzagnisi by knockout by eliminates by these quarterfinals here from this one. So these are coming by lowest battery. So Nana was knocked out of this eliminate by quarterfinals. So the winner from this one is Grandmaster Lei Tingqi. So Lei Tingqi was proceed of these semifinals of this top 4 from this one. So let's see of these results here after quarters finals here from this one. So let's see here. So it means so Lei Tingqi by score by 2 and Nana Dzagnisi is 0. So knockout by Nana Dzagnisi. So Lei Tingqi by proceed her from this semifinals from this one. So it means semifinals. So the next second quarter finals, I will analyze here between from Grandmaster Hampi Conero versus International Master Yu Sing Song from this one. So I will analyze of these games. So it means it means Tan Zhongyi wins here from this one by eliminates by knockout by Vaishali. So Tan Zhongyi proceed of the semifinals from this one, and also here by Harika Dronavali and Divya Deshmukh. So So Divya was winning here, and Harika Dronavali was knocked out by eliminates here. So Divya Deshmukh is received from the semifinals. I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka IcoMark 17. Have a good day and keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.